If you would like us to facilitate this whole planning process for you and help you go through all of the steps seamlessly, come out the other end with a strategy and goals that are ready to launch in town halls, that would be a pleasure. All you need to do is contact us and we'll tell you what's involved and we'll align ourselves with you. If you've got stuck in a particular part of the process, again, get in touch. We'll work out how best to help you. And if after the process you feel that having somebody in the trenches with you for about 6 hours a week for half a year or even a whole year would be useful, we call them fractional chiefs of staff, and they can work alongside the key stakeholder that is often the chief executive, but also work alongside teams, particularly when there are issues. Whilst we find our rhythm, whilst we embed these new systems and processes, that again would be a pleasure, and it's a great way of ensuring that these new ways of working really do stick. So please get in touch if we can help with any of that.